I hope this turned out good. Okay, so got all the plastic off now, and it's cooled down enough at least so I can touch it, which is good. Now I'm gonna take a little peek. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Okay, let's take a look. I don't have enough of the tape off, but look at that. That is so pretty. Okay, so that's most of it. So that's a real pretty design, right? But that green is not going to stay green. Watch this. I think I can just take it off with my little knife here. If it works the way I'm expecting it to. Yes. Now the letters were so tiny, I didn't really get a chance to get that little piece out from the middle of the A's, but that's okay. It's still going to look cool. And it is still pretty warm, so I'm not touching it for too long. But isn't that going to be pretty? Yay! Okay, I'm going to fast forward through the rest of this because there's lots of little letters. Okay, I am very, very pleased with that. Question is, will my husband like this one too? I love this. Anyway, this is my first project out of my new oven. Using a technique that I don't know if I would recommend. I did the masking tape, actually the masking paper, the heat resistant mask from Artistry. I did directly onto the mug. I should have done it onto the paper, should have mirrored it the whole bit, and it would have been a lot easier than trying to pull it off this way, but I think it worked out okay. I'm going to be trying lots of different ways to get the same kind of results. Anyhow, you guys have a great day. I had to show you the first one. Anyway, you guys have a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, guys.